Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Got another build. It's an '09 Honda Accord Coupe. Got pretty much most of the parts for it already. I need an airbag grill, a pair of headlights that were used, bumper, hitting the front, not too hard. Gonna have to pull the rad support out right there. So I'll use the puller for that. Overall, pretty good shape car. Low kilometers on it. I think it's got 120. So this is going to be the next project. Stay tuned, and this will be up online probably tomorrow. I'll do some work on it. So we got the bumper ready for paint. It comes pre-primered, and I just use I think it's an 800 gauge. They call it a scuff pad, just to scuff it down, and then I'm going to apply the base coat. Base coat is applied. Next, I'll clear. About 45 minutes, we're going to tack rag this bumper. Take off all the nibs and junk. Usually you wait about 15 minutes per coat at 20 degrees Celsius. I'm not sure what that is in Fahrenheit, maybe like 71 or something. So now what I'll do is I'll apply the clear. I'm going to be using the speed clear. I'll show you. This is Montana 2.1 speed clear. Again, this stuff dries in 15 minutes and you can buff it in 40. So basically I can manhandle this within 15-20 minutes back on the car. Clear's mixed up, ready to go in the gun. Okay, bumper's painted. Nice and shiny. Again, I'm a DIY guy. I'm in my garage. You're going to pick up dust and trash. However, I didn't pick up very much in this one. I normally wet my floors. I'm in a big rush. It's a cheap car, so it came out actually great. Got the bumper on, reassembled. Still missing the emblem though. We'll get that later. Gaps are pretty good. Headlights came out nice. Inner trim's good. Can't tell anything. So I've got the puller set up, chain down, chain to the car. I've opted out to weld a plate into that crevice to pull it out versus using that right now. I will need a large hammer. So we're going to start pushing on the pedal. I'm using a rubber mallet with lead instead of steel, so I don't damage it too much. There you go. Pull those straight. I'll do some measurements before I put it together. I may have to pull a little more, but you get the idea. Okay, so I've started to assemble some of the plastic headlights just to check fitment. Already I can see that the rad support needs to come out this way. This hole is bang on. This one's bang on. That one's bang on. And right here, you can see that it's back 3/8 of an inch easy. So I'll take this off, give it another pull this way. I did re-glue this one here. It's all glued in there. It's a cheap 2009 Accord. I'm not going to buy all this stuff for it, so I can fix it. And I'll pull that out and we'll get back to putting the plastic on. Okay, so I've pulled it out and I've done some measurements, and it's much better. Holes are dead center now. So we'll get this ground down, primered, and put some paint on it, and assemble the front bumper and test fit the bumper and the rebar. Okay, so we got the headlights in, bumper on, fitting good. Fitting good. Have to play with this headlight a bit to get it much nicer. It's still loose. Gaps are good here. Gaps are good here. Holes all line up. I got a couple tabs just loosely in. Holes line up good. If we close the hood, gaps are good. This is a little high. What I can probably do is adjust this one. If you notice, I'm going to pull up on this one because this one's low. This one will go down. You can't see it, but it'll go down. So I'll adjust the adjuster on this side to bring it up, push that side down. And there you go. Front end's done. All I got to do now is paint that rad support, paint that bumper, which I'll do in the next video. Install that rebar, which it's not bent, it's perfect. And that'll be it.